So guys, I used this strategy on volatility 75 and I was able to make close to $500 in less than 2 hours. Okay, so this is so unique and you're going to love every bit of it. Okay, so I'm just going to go through it and let you know how I came up with the signals, and of course so that you too can also do the same thing if you are having the trading tool. Yes guys, you must have seen me using these on boom and crash. You can also use it on other assets, even the currency pairs, gold and the likes. Okay, so if it works on other assets, it will definitely work on volatility indices too, so most especially volatility 75, and I'm going to share with you how you can take advantage of the market using these. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared there. Do your own personal practice. Okay, you need to practice and perfect a trading skill first on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said earlier on, we will be checking out this same strategy which I actually looked into. Okay, at first the market was coming down, and after getting, you will notice that it got to this support zone, it was unable to go below it, so it pulled back and still came down again. So it means that this was actually a support zone that it's finding difficult to break. Okay, so right from there immediately it switched into an uptrend. How do I know if it has switched into an uptrend? You can see the green dotted line. Okay, it gives me a peek into that. It's giving me information that this is about to go into an uptrend. Okay, so all I just need to do is just for me to wait for my buy signal. I wait for my buy signal, and of course I decide to go in. Okay, so immediately I placed my order, I put my stop loss somewhere here, and of course I already know that it finds it difficult to break out above this resistance zone, so I'm going to put it here. So I want to know if it will break out above it. Okay, so I have an assurance that it might get to this region, but after getting here it's possible for it to come back. Okay, so my analysis is if it breaks out above this resistance zone, then it's going to buy more. Okay, but if it does not, at least I will still be in profit and still close my trade right from there. Okay, so that is it. So immediately I started having a shoot up right from there, right from my entry point, and it got to this region. I adjusted my stop loss to somewhere here. Okay, because I still want to keep some part of the profits. Okay, in case it didn't break out above this resistance zone, and of course fortunately it broke out above it and gave me more profit. Okay, let me reduce the horizontal lines that are there. Okay, I'm just going to reduce the horizontal lines that are there. Okay, good. So this will be my my price line, and of course went up, came down, and of course went up again. So this will now be my stop loss now. So I had to adjust this from here and put it where the last resistance zone was. Okay, because that has actually turned into a support zone at that particular point. So this kept on going up, and of course as we can see it has gotten to the peak of the page already, so which means that might be another major resistance zone. So at this point I needed to adjust my stop loss to somewhere here to lock up about 80% of my profit. And of course it came down to my tune, and of course it came down, it didn't break out above the resistance zone, and of course started selling. So it must have closed, I mean it closed my trade immediately it hit the support zone, and I made this whole profit around here. So it didn't just stop there. Okay, you know, I told you I made close to $500 within that region. Okay, so it didn't just stop there. So I had a sell trend signal, a downtrend signal again. You can see the red dotted line. Okay, and of course it gave me a sell signal, which is this. Okay, after the sell signal I had to come in, I placed my order around here, and this started, I put my stop loss here. I put my stop loss here, and of course I started milking it right from there. Okay, it came down and down and down, got to this region, and of course it's pulled back a bit and went back down again, because we had another sell signal around that which gave us more assurance. Okay, so at this point I placed another order around here again. Okay, and of course we sold for a very long time. So at that point I adjusted the stop loss for all my orders. Okay, and I put it somewhere here. Okay, remember I'm having another set of order around there, and I add some here already. Okay, so this kept on going down and down, and I also adjusted the stop loss more. Okay, in order to lock up more profit on the for the two orders. Okay, so this kept on going down. If you should notice, I already have a line here, because I already had the feeling that it might want to change the direction of the market around here, because it is a support zone. Okay, so this kept on going down and down, and of course I still adjusted the stop loss, trying to keep 80% of the profit to myself, and that was how I did it till the very end of the trend. Okay, this is very easy for me to do because of the indicator that I am using. It makes analysis very easy, just the way you have seen me using it right now. That is exactly the same way you too will use it. It is as easy as that, guys. This trading tool makes trading very easy on all the assets. You don't even need to disturb yourself at all. All you just need to do is just for you to follow the instructions on the chart, and of course you will be able to make some good amount of profit. And you can see the way I manage my trading activities. That is exactly the same way you should also manage yours. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, for those of you having this trading tool, I must say big congratulations to you guys, because you guys have been milking the market back to back on daily basis. Okay, those of you that are not having, you can also contact me and make inquiry about it. I will be there on WhatsApp, and I will be ready to I'll reply you right away. Okay, you might be lucky to get this special discount on the price. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away, so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.